Hi guys, how have you been? My name is Jane kama kawaida. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Hope mko poa, salama salmini. So if you have subscribed, thank you so much for subscribing. And if you are watching and not subscribing, please kindly, you are missing a lot. So subscribe, hit that notification bell ndio tuzidi kuzidi. I want more and more people. Guys, today I've decided to do an African food edition. I did it in my previous recipe, so after this go and watch it. Go up on YouTube, like, comment and share my link. Guys, today I'm going to show you how to boil rice Africa and some potatoes too. Bila nyama. My ingredient here. This is potato. This is tomato paste. My black pepper, soy sauce, and salt, and of course onion. I'm starting by cooking rice, boiling rice. So I know you are wondering why I have carrots, but honestly, when I'm chilling with carrots, so I decided to make carrots. After frying them, I will show you when it does it. So wait and see. These are my carrots. I'm frying them. After frying the vitoe, as I've said, naonyesha kalenda zetu. So wait and see. They are ready. I want to put them aside. Vitoe. I've put my water because of rice. So rice nimepima 1 cup. So kama ni 1 cup is 2 cup of water. Alafu nikaeka oil, then salt, a little bit of salt, and that's it. Let's wait for water to boil so that we can boil our rice. So after my rice is boiled, I told you I will show you where I will put the carrots, and this is where they come in. So naeka carrots, after putting them, I mix those way everywhere. This kai hapa juu yake. Now we can let them cook for some minutes. So let's meet after they are cooked. So imeiva, the water is drained, and now it's ready to be served.